You can literally see that DeepSeek is right now writing the entire JavaScript. That is how it is done. And look at this. Imagine you have spent a lot of time in your work and you still haven't completed your tasks. What if I say that there is a way to completely change that and reduce your time by a fraction, maybe an entire day's work within a few minutes? Here is an example of how to use AI. For example, I'm using Premiere Pro right now, and this is my timeline, right? So I have a clip wherein I am talking. However, there is a lot of silence in between. So let me just show you. For example, like this. So when it comes to the content, you have to provide. I have a lot of silence on this video. So I want to eliminate all of that silence. However, I don't want to go ahead and buy some kind of a plugin for Premiere Pro. So I would rather use some way, some method to, modify the software to do it for me. So let's see how we can actually go ahead and do that. You can literally see that DeepSeek is right now writing the entire JavaScript. That is how it is done. And look at this. It's kind of like a virtual assistant who's going to help you doing every kind of task that you can possibly think of in every possible way. Look at it. It is even giving you how to install the program that it has just written for me. And it has also checked what are the audio levels that are supposed to be below average, wherein it is considered as silence, and where I am talking. So all that I need to do, copy this entire script and just paste it. In simple terms, this AI software makes it so easy to go ahead and do whatever it is that you want to do. So let's just use ChatGPT instead and see how that goes. So let's say I write, generate a blog post for a specific niche such as travel. So let's say we want it to reason and give us the answer. Let's see what it does. So here it is. So right now it is reasoning, and you can actually see what it is actually doing. And it has just come up with an entire script, or I would say a blog post with regards to topic was. So let's just see what it was reasoning. So the task is to create a blog post about travel in an engaging blog post style. I am thinking about using heading and subheading to break it down. I could focus on something like travel to a hidden gems, embracing the road less traveled, or a journey through Italy's best kept secrets. Look at it, how it is actually going ahead and reasoning, and how it is trying to generate the entire content. And if you actually look at the content, it says Wanderlust Chronicles, exploring the hidden gems of the Mediterranean. So this is just an example of what all an AI can do. And this is ChatGPT. You can use DeepSeek. There are quite a lot, in fact. So let's say you want to generate an image. So you can just go to the Leonardo AI, and you can literally generate this kind of a picture. So this picture has been generated by AI. So let's just try. So I'm going to sign in. So let's say generate a cartoon like Tom and Jerry talking to each other. Right now it's thinking, and it's actually going to go ahead and generate 4 different versions of what I have actually asked it to do. Let's see. Ooh la la. Look at that. So now it looks like Tom and Jerry, but it is not really Tom and Jerry. And that is the best part about this. So you can literally go ahead and do whatever it is that you want to do, whatever is it that is actually coming into your mind, and it does it for you. So this is an image generation AI, right? So there are quite a lot of different AIs That's about it for this short video, guys. If in case you want to see more, like for example Tom and Jerry doing Tom and Jerry things like a cartoon series, you want me to go ahead and teach you how to do that, I can actually help you out with that as well. So that's about it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.